Jamie, don't do that. Jamie, can you say hi to Kayla?
Hi,
Look at the camera and say hi. Can you look at Mama and say hi? Over here. Jamie. Over here. Can you say hi to Grandma? Jamie. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Papa.
Hi, Baba.
Can you say, I miss you?
Okay.
I miss you? Don't do that. It's going to be too hot. Can you wave bye-bye? Jamie.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say bye-bye, Kayla.
Bye-bye, Chica.
Say bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye, Baba.